I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop to your TV by using a VGA cable. First thing, what you need to do is connect your VGA cable to your laptop. Make sure to tighten the screws. And next, you need to connect the other end of the VGA to your TV. Sometimes it's too hot. Make sure to tighten the screw to secure it. You connect it like this. And then what do you need to do is turn on your laptop and your TV. And then make sure to change the input and then choose VGA. So this is how you connect your laptop to your TV with a VGA cable. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.